Hi everyone, I'm lead forecaster Chris Phillips here with a quick weather update. We have numerous severe thunderstorm warnings impacting portions of the area up through Jasper, Connersville, and just east of Batavia right now. I want to start up north right now where we do have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for central Rush County. Just checking here, new flash flood warning going in for Rush County. This is going to go until 9 p.m. It's not up on your screen just yet. It will prompt up here shortly. There it is right there, the new green polygon. Up to 2 inches of rainfall has fallen in that area. So please be alert for flash flooding. Turn around, don't drown. We also have a severe thunderstorm warning for that county as well. It goes on for another 7 minutes. Also, just to the east into the Connersville area, Liberty, Laurel area, severe thunderstorm warning continues for another 7 minutes here. Pulling up the data on that, that goes till 6:30 for northwestern Franklin and also western Union and Fayette counties in Indiana. Both of these storms producing a potential of quarter-size hail here in the Connersville area, and you see this white area. This is a potential of half-dollar-sized hail. This is moving towards very slowly to the south or east and southeast towards Milroy and New Salem. If you're in these areas, please be on standby for half-dollar-sized hail in the Rushville area. This particular cell before was under a tornado warning, and you see that dark red polygon just north when it was in the Rushville area not too long ago. So we have a very potent storm actually moving through the area at this time. No tornado warning in effect right now for that particular storm. We'll zoom out. We also have we did have a severe thunderstorm warning there just to the east of the far Brown County, I believe, or Highland County and Brown County, correct, in Ohio until 6:30. They've actually canceled that because the storm has weakened below severe limits. You see Cincinnati, Lawrenceburg, Rising Sun, Independence, Crittenden, and Williamstown. You're like, Chris, what the heck are you talking about? It's not raining at all. It's sunny outside. I'm going to go out and grill. Go out and grill. It's going to be fine. I think that the scattering of thunderstorms will continue to stay to the north, to the west, and to the east through the evening hours, like at least for the next 2 to 3 hours. I do suspect that there could be an isolated pop-up thunderstorm. I'm not going to rule that out. Back off towards the west, towards Jasper, Bloomington, a line of severe thunderstorm warnings in effect. We can switch sources here. There we go. And you can see this line of severe thunderstorms basically from Jasper all the way up towards about north of Vincennes, and that's going to be moving towards the Indianapolis area. So I wouldn't be surprised western portions of Jackson County, maybe Brown, Bartholomew counties, you could go under some severe thunderstorm warnings later this evening. So continue to stay with us and we'll keep you up to date. All of this activity pushing off towards the northeast here, this activity towards the west, but you notice this is what happened with these cells. They made a right-hand turn. That's why there was a tornado warning issued there just to the east of Indianapolis. Notice that storm near Greenwood. It pushed off towards the northeast, and I'll zoom in here for you. And we'll do it again. Here's the loop. Moved northeast and then boom, went right down back to the southeast. That's what we call typically a right-hand turn. So that's why there was a tornado warning issued for that. Normally a right-hand turn storm does have that rotation with it. So those storms will continue to push off towards the southeast. So places like Ripley County, Dearborn County, Ohio County, Hamilton, Butler, also Franklin counties in Indiana, you could be seeing a severe storm here within the next little bit. More activity pushing off towards the Louisville metro. Elizabethtown right now impacting English. This will push off towards the east. Temperatures outside are very warm. You walk outside, it's 82 in Louisville right now, 81 in Columbus, Indiana, 81 in Cincinnati. 80 is basically area-wide, so it's very warm outside. Look at this, warmer temperatures even into southwestern Indiana, 84 before the rain moved through. And look out towards 87 degrees in Paducah right now. That's crazy. Warm weather around. So we'll continue to track these storms back over to the high-resolution radar. The big storms with lots of lightning near the Rushville, Connorsville area, this will continue to impact those areas here over the next little bit. If you're in the Oxford, Hamilton, Brookville, St. Leon, Harrison, Sunman areas, be watching out on the radar here throughout the evening hours. This activity could be moving in your direction over the next little bit. So this would be the zone, I would say, for the next 2 hours for winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. Maybe some quarter-sized hail as this line of storms. So I'll just clear this off of here for you real quick here, and we'll zoom back out one more time with these severe thunderstorms moving through the region. And there you go. These storms, Rushville, Connorsville, this is all, and last radar frame here, we've kind of bumped up the storm. I'll put a 3D mode on here for you. You can see how high this particular storm is going into the atmosphere. Notice here's 30,000 feet here, and this storm surpassing that, going up to 40, possibly even 50,000 feet. So this has got a pretty strong hail core with it, moving to the southeast towards Brooksville at this time. No new information right now on... Okay, so no new information here. No new warnings going to go further southeast just yet. But we'll keep you up to date here. From the Weather Pulse Tracking Center, I'm lead forecaster Chris Phillips.